My name is Yuri Fudrik and I am very happy to represent you our topic, Specialized Information System of Support in the Process of Recruiting Securities. Due to the significant increase in interest in investment activities, not only by specialized organizations and professional investors, but also by private individuals, there is a need for accessible instrument for monitoring the financial securities market. Investment risk is a threat of a full or partial failure to achieve the planned investment objectives. As a result, monetary losses are incurred. All investments carry a certain level of risks. Risk management is defined as a process of identifying the risk associated with a particular investment and then managing that risk in the best possible way. Nowadays, there is a growing number of software that helps investors to carry out assets transactions in every possible way. This slide presents the hidden levers and Sigma platforms. Both solutions provide secure assets management of portfolio activities. They are also cloud-based platforms, include modeling, building, investment proposal generation, and investment risk monitoring. The programming language chosen for this application was Python. Thanks for its powerful libraries, this programming language provides a significant advantage in the development of software when working with investment risks. This language also has the following software solutions: Jupyter Notebook and Web Framework Dash from Plotly. This slide describes the main libraries that were used during research and development. NumPy for scientific computing and for working with datasets, Pandas to analyze information and work with data frame, SciPy for handling big data and for technical computing. Matplotlib create graphs, histograms, charts, and more visualization. The next slide represents possible sources that provide open APIs for updating historical and current stock market values. This type of data is available from many sources such as Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, Quandl, etc. In part of research, it was compared both APIs and concluded that Yahoo Finance is the best option to use in conjunction with Python libraries. The paper analyzes stock market data, namely the stock of large technology companies such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Boeing. The stocks were researched and compared, and graphs were built to help find differences, as well as to analyze financial changes in the market and understand how events affect the stock price. The main emphasis was placed on the adjusted closing price of stocks. The charts visualize the closing price for the selected companies and moving average. The average value is taken over a time period of 10, 20, and 50 days. In the research process was used ARMA forecasting model to predict whether the stock price would rise or fall. The forecast is shown on the left and below is accuracy relative to actual performance. On the right is a chart of the closing price for the stock price and the added cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The next step is to select the most efficient investment portfolio. Python provides a fast Monte Carlo simulation to build 10,000 random portfolios. The program selects the best portfolio to invest in, taking into account the risk return ratio of the entire portfolio. This table shows the final risk assessment for the selected portfolio. Risk is measured by the standard deviation, Sharpe ratio, and the rate of return. All charts are dynamic, which was achieved using Dash Web Framework by Plotly. The application will help analyze and forecast certain types of tech stocks in real time. It should be noted that this product is focused on the non-professional investor. This paper provides an overview of specialized application software products that are available in the open source working in the fields of risks and investments. Using the Python programming language with its libraries for analysis, Jupyter Notebook, Web Framework Dash from Plotly application was created as it based on the risk analysis methods, processes the available data, and provides appropriate visualization of the possible risks and, for the selected assets. Applying the newly created product, the risks of the investment products included in a process of recruiting securities were analyzed, and the most preferable securities were selected according to the forecast, taking into account possible income and potential financial risks. Based on the results of the analysis, specialized information system of support in the process of recruiting securities was created and published the following address. So thank you for your attention, and if you have some question, you can contact me using emails that you can see on your screen.